Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the Snowman Builder does in Grey Garden and how you can get it. So you can get it from the season pass here. It is on level 25. As you can see here, it is a legendary pet. Basically, it occasionally consumes crops with any cold type mutations and grants a snow fort based cosmetic reward. So if you want a snow fort based cosmetic reward, I don't know what it's gonna look like actually. You will need this pet. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.